Hello, my name is Tomasz Kowalczyk and I'm a system application engineer responsible for motor control software, hardware, and especially for gallium nitride. So we understand that in current technology, gallium nitride may be understood as quite a challenge, right? Well, we are not afraid of challenges at Infineon, and this is what we want to prove here. So what we are trying to prove is that motor control with gallium nitride is not really that challenging as it may be. Here, what we are seeing is the new family of microcontrollers, PSoC Control C3, connected directly to the gallium nitride power stage that is inverting, so spinning this motor, which is coupled to the other one acting as a generator where the power is lost of the power resistors, right? So what we are trying to visualize here is the system efficiency increase. So we're getting more energy, less losses in the same time using only different technology that is coming right now to the market. How do we enable actually customers? We do it through the GUI, through the very user-friendly interface where both we can check the current status of the currents on all the phases, and also we can search details as a position of the motor. All of the phases and all of the signals can be interactively checked and unchecked. They can be modified. We can even check the trigger, meaning that we have real oscilloscope at our hand without using actual hardware oscilloscope. Everything comes directly from the microcontroller itself. Regarding the motor control parameters, well, this attractive GUI tells us all the motor control critical parameters like the currents on all the axes, like the voltage on the power supply, like the current spin, and of course we can also control the speed, right? So if we check, for example, I will slow down the motor to the 10%, and we can see that the motor, without any issues, is actually slowing down. What is the gallium nitride value coming in the whole system? Well, the story is very easy. The power density of the gallium nitride is incredible. If you look at the demo, it might be that it's quite big, right? Well, this is just evaluation. The reality is that it's this small. If you believe me, this can handle almost 1 kilowatt, meaning that most electric vehicles, like electric vehicles, like rollers, for example, can be driven by such a small coin boards, right? If you want to go slightly bigger in the power, this can handle even up to 1.5 kilowatt. This is amazing, right? Imagine that such a small board can even drive very powerful drones and fly objects, or even hopefully in the future people across the places.